Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the heart of African politics, focusing on the recent presidential election in Zimbabwe. President Emmerson Mnangagwa has been declared the winner, securing a second and final 5-year term. But here's the catch, the election has been anything but smooth. Let's break it down. The atmosphere during the election was charged, with tensions running high. Reports of intimidation and irregularities were rampant. Observers and opposition figures have been vocal about their concerns, particularly regarding the activities of a ruling party affiliate organization at polling stations. The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission announced Mnangagwa's victory, claiming he bagged 52.6% of the votes. However, his main contender, Nelson Chamisa, gathered a significant 44%. The results were announced under heavy security, a testament to the volatile nature of Zimbabwean elections. But here's where it gets even more concerning. Following Mnangagwa's inauguration, there was a surge in reports of human rights abuses. We're talking about arbitrary arrests, abductions, and even torture of opposition party activists. The inauguration wasn't a celebration of democracy, it was marred by fear and a crackdown on basic human rights. Kanyo Farise, from Amnesty International, didn't mince words. She highlighted the climate of fear and the attacks on those trying to organize peaceful protests. The international community has its eyes peeled on these developments, concerned about the ongoing struggle for human rights and justice in Zimbabwe. So, what does all this mean for Zimbabwe? The country has a history of troubled elections, and it seems the cycle continues. The authorities have been urged to ensure a peaceful post-election environment, respecting people's rights to freedom of expression, peaceful assembly, and association. Investigations into human rights abuses must be prompt and transparent. Those responsible for crimes must face justice. But more importantly, the victims and their families need access to justice and effective remedies. As we watch these events unfold, one thing is clear. Playing with the people's vote is a dangerous game. Just like Mugabe before him, Mnangagwa's actions are under scrutiny. The message from Zimbabweans is loud and clear. Serve the people, not yourselves. That's all for today's deep dive into Zimbabwe's election drama. If you're passionate about keeping tabs on global politics and human rights, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep questioning and stay informed.